Hey, this is Hans. It's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. Today I've got something from Malaysia. This is from MyKuali. It's such a big box I can't turn it the correct direction, so I'm just gonna open it this way. Okay, I think, yeah. Oh wow, okay, so first off we have cups we're gonna go with. So here is their Penang Red Tom Yum Goong. Here's a new one, Vegetarian Penang White Curry. Hokkien prawn, one of my favorite instant noodle flavors of all time. Gaeng Som noodle. I have no idea, no information, no clue. So this is brand new product from MyKuali. And I'm very curious about what exactly is going on with this one, so that's cool. So next up, we've got their bowls, and their bowls use rice noodle, also known as bihun or rice vermicelli. Penang White Curry, their Vegetarian Penang White Curry, Hokkien prawn, and red Tom Yum Goong. And I forgot to mention, they also sent their non-vegetarian Penang White Curry. So I'm going through all this and I just found a note and it reads, please note the new recipes. Gaeng Som noodles, or Gaeng Som, if you look up Wikipedia, is a Thai sour curry which we adapted for instant noodles. Try it out and let us know what you think. Next is our vegetarian version of Penang White Curry noodles to cater to the vegans. We have it in cup and bowl. Yeah, we know it's a lot of noodles, and we hope this will keep you busy for a while thinking of Penang all the time, and also give you more material for your YouTube show. Also enclosed is a poster signed by our CEO, Mr. Tan Hop Kung, showing our products and our achievement in the Ramen Raider. Cool, thank you very much. Well, let's keep going. The train keeps it going, folks. So here's their Penang Red Tom Yum Goong, which has been on the top 10 list. Their Penang Spicy Prawn, which used to be called Penang Hokkien Prawn, also one that's been on the top 10 list. Their Penang White Curry, a thing of legend. If you've never tried it, you need to. It's absolutely amazing. It's on this year's top 10 list. And finally, we can see this all right, a poster that's been autographed by the CEO. And indeed does have the Ramen Raider logo on it. Very cool and very appreciated. Thank you so much. They all already laminated it. I don't have to go get it laminated. Cool. Wow, cool. Whole bunch of noodles here. There's actually a lot more that they sent than what I've got all crammed in this spot, but you get the picture, and I really appreciate it. Thank you to everybody over at MyKuali for shooting this over, and thank you to Mr. Tan for autographing the poster. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day, and you'll be seeing these on Instant Noodle Recipe Time soon. Thank you, have a good one, bye.